We talk about markers for success. What do the top teams have in common? What do the top agents, converting agents all have in common? There's a few things that we notice. Number one is their effectiveness on the initial call. The agents that are the most effective on the initial call have one goal in mind on those calls, setting an appointment. That's their goal, right? So everything that you do, you can hear as listen to the call recordings, all they're focused on is getting face to face with that consumer. Along with getting face to face, typically is showing properties. So here's what we've noticed. Our data shows that an agent who shows property to a consumer within the first 14 days of the introduction has a conversion rate that's significantly higher than the ones that don't. That may be common sense, that may be, of course, but it emphasized the importance of setting an appointment on that initial call whenever humanly possible. It's going to give you a much, much better chance of converting and having a transaction out of that introduction. One of the other markers for success is accepting a warm transfer. As you know, when we have a consumer on the phone, we get them excited about talking to you or your team, and we send out a notification. The agents and teams that convert the highest are the ones that accept the highest percentage of the live transfers. Makes sense, right? If someone isn't available and we have to tell that consumer, sorry, no one was available, they'll follow up with you, and we send you a cold transfer, you then have to work for days, weeks, or maybe even months to maybe get a hold of that consumer again. So the live transfers convert at significantly higher amount than a cold transfer, 5 times higher. Again, there's no mystery. When we look at our top converting teams, our top converting agents, they all have a 95 to 100% acceptance rate of live transfers. If your team or yourself acceptance rate is somewhere below that, 80%, 70%, 40%, and you're not converting, one of the reasons why is you're missing the best opportunities. So again, these are just a couple reminders for those of you that may not be thinking about this or focus on this. These are two important markers for success.